Hi, my name is Ying Qian, an AWS Solutions Architect specializing in Amazon Connect. Amazon Connect is a cloud-based omni-channel contact center solution using AI to enhance customer interactions. Its scalable pay-as-you-go model enables business to easily deliver personalized experience across multiple communication channels. In this video, I'll introduce you to a solution that integrates Amazon Connect email with built-in features and powerful AI tools. We'll explore how this solution streamlines customer experience and enhances agent productivity. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how intelligent routing works, how to retrieve unified customer insights, and how a single workspace can handle multiple communication channels. Let me walk you through a real-world scenario. Meet Nikki Wolf, a loyal customer of any company bank for many years. Nikki is planning extensive travel and reaches out to her bank via email, seeking advice on the best credit card for her needs. She is looking for a card with no foreign transaction fees, travel insurance, rewards programs, possibly airport lounge access, etc. Amazon Connect email channel offers the same integration options like other channels, allowing for enhanced, tailored customer experience. Email support starts when Nikki emails her inquiry. Amazon Connect initiates a flow that identifies Nikki and accesses her profile, processes her email, creates or updates a case, routes the email to an appropriate queue based on her intent, seeking advice on travel credit cards. The available agent in that queue, John, receives Nikki's email along with her profile, contact history, and status. He responds using system-recommended guidelines with minor adjustments. Let's see how the workflow in action now. Here on the left side, we see the customer email interface, where Nikki can compose and send emails. On the right is the Amazon Connect agent workspace, where Agent John uses to manage interactions across various channels. This workspace allows John to access customer information, receive assistance, and process requests effectively. Nikki sends an email to her bank with the subject request information about travel credit cards. She enters her message. After completing the email, she sends it. Amazon Connect processes the email in the background, identifies the customer, scans the email message, creates or updates a case, and finally routed it to the appropriate queue. Now John received this email. He accepts this email and views Nikki's message. A step-by-step guide pops up offering key contact data for John, such as customer name, routed queue, and customer intent, a summary of the email message, as well as a customized workflow. If the customer Nikki wants to start the application, the agent John can also help her by following the steps. But now, Nikki only wants to get some details about the best travel credit cards. By navigate to the customer profile, John is able to access the whole information about Nikki and her contact history. An open case appears in the next tab, showing the previous interactions related to Nikki's inquiry, if there is any. John noticed there were some interactions already happened in the past. Amazon Connect can either update an existing case or create a new one automatically, according to the business logic defined in the flow. For this ongoing email interaction, we see the comment about the summary of this email created by generative AI. Without leaving the agent workspace, John uses Amazon Q in Connect on the right-hand side, powered by generative AI, to search for relevant company guidelines by entering a query, compose a well-structured email addressing Nikki's request, and copy-paste the summary of the email content. The system is generating a response based on knowledge article uploaded to Amazon Q. The feature enables it to provide answers tailored to specific company content rather than relying only on its training data. John reviews it, compose a response to Nikki by selecting an email message template with company logo as signature. Copy-paste the recommendation from the system into the email editor. As John noticed that there were some interactions already happened in the past, he made some minor adjustment in the email by offering Nikki a voice call to discuss the offer in detail and assist her to apply for a travel credit card. After he finished it, sends the email back to Nikki. Just now, a new email has arrived. This is the response from the agent, John. Let's dive into the solution architecture behind the scenes, especially how Amazon Connect processes the emails in the background. This diagram outlines the email's path from the customer initial send to its arrival in Agent Workspace. I'll explain the steps here one by one. The process begins when a customer sends an email or submits a web form, triggering an API call named Start Email Contact in the backend, including crucial information such as from email address contains the customer email address. Destination email address holds the company's email address. Email message contains header, content type, body, and so on. Amazon Connect receives this information and uploads the email message as a JSON file to a predefined Amazon S3 bucket as email storage. Based on the destination email address, Amazon Connect initiates a specific flow. This flow, created using Amazon Connect user-friendly drag-and-drop flow designer, defines how we'll handle the email. The flow then triggers an AWS Lambda function, which performs two API calls at first. The first API lists contact references, retrieves the file ID of the email message. The second API, getAttached_file, uses the file ID. This generates a URL to download the email from S3. The Lambda function uses the URL, a pre-signed S3 URL with a short-lived security token, to download the email message. The Lambda function extracts the email body and sends it to Amazon Bedrock. Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service offering high-performing foundation models from leading AI companies. It uses a single API to access LLM models from AI22 Labs, Anthropic, Cohere, Meta, Mistral AI, Stability AI, Amazon, and so on. To use Bedrock, define your preferred LLM model and specify instructions to generate customer intent, a summary of the email message, and an appropriate queue name for routing. Let's take a closer look at a sample code snippet that demonstrates how this process works. As you can see, we have a Lambda function that handles emails. The function extracts the content from the email message body and prepares it for processing. The key part of this snippet is the prompt engineering instruction. This instruction guides the large language model in generating the desired output. In this case, we've asked the model to scan the email message and produce a JSON response containing two main elements: the user intent and the appropriate queue for routing. The user intent should be a concise summary of the email content, capturing key points. The queue determination is based on the primary user intent chosen from options like credit cards, insurance, loan, online banking, or financial advice. Finally, we see the call to the Bedrock API using the invoke model method. This is where the magic happens. The LLM processes our email content according to our instructions, and it generates the structured output we need. For code examples, scan the QR code or follow the link in the video description below. For the GitHub repository, Amazon Connect email message body integration library. And next, Amazon Connect step-by-step guides flow uses the generated intent and queue data to show key information to agent. The flow uses customer email address to search and retrieve information from Amazon Connect customer profiles, and then checks for existing open cases using the retrieved profile ID. If a case exists, it's updated with the current contact data. If no case exists, a new one is created. The previous Lambda function's output, as I introduced in the code snippet, queue name, is used by Amazon Connect routing engine. This ensures the contact is directed to an available agent assigned to the appropriate queue. As we saw in our early demo, when an email interaction arrives, it's immediately notified in the agent workspace. A customized workflow pops up featuring step-by-step guides with the key contact data. The agent is presented with a comprehensive view, including tabs for customer profile and case information, all within a single interface. In our demo, we showcased how agents can use Amazon Q in Connect, a powerful tool driven by generative AI. This feature allows agents to quickly search for and access relevant company guidelines. With this information at their fingertips, agents can respond to customers using system-recommended guidelines, making minor adjustments as needed. This creates a streamlined, efficient process for resolving customer inquiries, all within a single unified workspace. Now, let's recap what we've learned in this video. We've explored how generative AI through Amazon Bedrock and Amazon Q enhance intelligent routing and response recommendations. We've seen how Amazon Connect built-in features, such as step-by-step guides, customer profiles, and case management, provide unified customer insights. Importantly, we've demonstrated how agents can handle contacts from all channels, including email, in one unified workspace. Now, it's time to create your own email support workflow. Tailored to your unique business needs, integrate Amazon Connect email with your existing CRM and backend systems to maximize efficiency. Boost your agent's productivity through automated responses. What are you still waiting to take the first step? I hope you found this video informative. For diving deeper, I've included relevant resources in the video description below. Thank you.